Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and today we are going to make some cute little t-shirts. We're going to cut out the vinyl with my brother's scan and cut, and then we're going to use my heat press to attach them to some t-shirts. And my t-shirts are going to be a gift to go into my Operation Christmas Child shoe boxes. I have my brother's scan and cut here, and this is the home screen on it. So I'm just going to go to Pattern. I'm going to do this the easy way. I'm going to pick one that's already programmed in here, and there's a dog. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to make him a little bit bigger. Let's see. Well, about 6.5 inches wide I think would be good. And I'm going to say okay. And then we've got A, B, and C. So A is his body, B is his collar, and C is his ear. Okay, so I'm going to do A right now. You know what? I'm going to make this so that I can remember it easily. Let's just do his height at 5. I think that's going to be the easiest to remember. And yes, I want to do A. Okay. And yes. Oh, now his height is 495. All right, remember that, 495. There he is. And so now I'm just going to get a mat, and I'm going to put my vinyl on it, and I'm going to put it through the machine. Since it's a dog and it doesn't have words, it doesn't really matter if it's mirrored or not. But if I wanted to, one of these tools would let me mirror it. Would be this one. And then I can mirror him. So I'm going to mirror him. I'm going to hit OK. And I have some vinyl that I bought off of Amazon. And I have it on my cutting mat. And I add just regular painter's tape to help secure it down, because my mat's not super sticky anymore. I have my mat in, and then I'm just going to hit cut. Oh, I have my blade set at 3. Now I'm going to hit cut and start. And it's going to cut out the body of the dog. And then I'll just do this again with the other colors so that I have the ear and the collar. And it's done, and it's probably hard for you to see, but I can tell that it's been cut out here. So I'm going to select the next part. I'm going to take my mat out, and I'm going to replace my vinyl. So I used this full sheet of red for just the collar. So I'm just going to cut out where the collar is, and then I'm going to weed out the excess that I'm not using. And I'm just using a little tool that I got from Harbor Freight. It works great. So now you can kind of see I have the dog and his ear and the collar. And that's how they're going to go on the shirt. I have here my heat safe thing, my foam thing. These came with this heat press, and I have a t-shirt. Got this at Old Navy. It is a size small, 6'7", girls. And I'm going to try to get it on here just as straight as I can. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my shirt for 15 seconds. This particular vinyl said to use a home iron at 305 degrees. I kind of think my thing runs a little cold, so I set it at 310 degrees. So hopefully it'll be hot enough. Okay, so now my shirt is heated up. I'm gonna take my dog. I'm gonna place my dog in the center. And I usually like to line up things with around the armpits. I think that usually has a really nice look. And I'm going to use this Teflon piece to protect everything, and I'm gonna set this down and turn it on, and this applies a little bit of pressure when it's vibrating, and it's set for 15 seconds, which is what the directions for this vinyl said. And I will have a link to my Amazon affiliate store where I do get a small percentage of things, and I'll have my vinyl and I'll have my heat press in my store. Okay, so now this vinyl says wait until the shirt is cool before you pull it up. So trying to let it cool off a little faster. It's pretty hot, so I'll come back in a couple seconds. Now that it's cool, we're going to peel up the clear plastic, leaving the tan ironed onto the shirt. And now I'm going to add my parts. So my ear is gonna go right here. All right, here's my collar, and I'm going to put it on. And then I'm going to cover it with the clear plastic again for the entire puppy. I'm gonna cover it with my Teflon, and I'm going to set my heat press down for another 15 seconds. And once this cools off, I will take the plastic off, and this puppy will be done. This guy feels pretty cool, so peeling off the transfer. Oops, I can't really get a hold of that. There we go. And I think that's really cute and adorable, and I think it's great for sending a shirt to Operation Christmas Child, because you don't know like what language they're going to speak, so I don't like to put words on them. I like to just put a simple image on my shirt so that they're cute, but they don't have to be have a language or have words on them. I'm making a second one. Okay, so this is coming up a little bit, so that's another reason to heat it again until the edges aren't coming up. Since I'm gonna heat it again anyway with the ear and the collar, I think I'm okay with just pulling that up right now. So here is how the shirts came out. I think that's really cute. And here's this one. And I made these to go with some little skirts that I made. These were made out of fat quarters from Walmart, actually. And I think that's gonna be just a really cute little outfit. Both of these will be just really cute little outfits, and I'm going to put them in my Operation Christmas Child shoe boxes so that some little girl who gets these dog shirts and these dog skirts is going to learn about Jesus and how much Jesus loves her. And I hope that you are packing some shoe boxes and making some things to go in your shoe boxes as well. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, toodles!